Previously on Life of Gnash, a showroom handshake turned into throttle therapy. I hit the streets, heart full, helmet on, and Nithya roaring beneath me. But wait, I forgot to introduce her properly. Meet Nithya. My first bike, Phantom Black, built with fire. And yeah, she's got my heart. A few days later, I wrapped up work, zipped up my hoodie, and rode to my first ever biker meetup. Nervous, curious, but Nithya had my back. New people, new energy. That day was special. I got my first jacket, met some real ones. We laughed, connected, and it was time to ride. I hit record and rolled out onto the streets. And then my GoPro said, "Nah, I'm done." Behind the scenes, every corner cleared brought me closer to the honesty and a little more confidence. Then came a moment I'll never forget. A spontaneous pooja at work. Me and Didi tried to figure it out. No rulebook, no checklist, just vibes, blessings and good energy. We tied a thread, marked her with sindoor. And just like that, Nithya became family. It's funny how fast everything's moved. 1 week ago, I had a dream and a learner's license. Today, I have Nithya, a past MSD, and a sky full of new roads. But it's not about just speed, it's about presence. The kind you feel when the wind holds your jacket and road doesn't ask you any questions. Riding's been weirdly meditative. Every gear shift feels like I'm shifting something inside too. No music, no calls. Just me, the road, and Nithya humming under me like she knows where I'm going. There was one moment that stuck with me. I was riding home back from work. Sky doing its golden thing, traffic light enough to flow. I wasn't thinking about anything, and somehow that felt like everything. I never thought a motorcycle could teach me how to breathe. And that's where I leave you for now. More roads to ride, more stories to tell. Welcome to Life of Gnash.